Okay. So you go like this.
Make her happy.
Happy little vein. Okay, let's go like this. Right? Is that about how we do this?
Yeah.
And then I have to spray it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's come down here. Okay. And then supposedly you're supposed to take,
Not a lot.
okay. Right, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then you go down or up.
Either way, doesn't matter.
Is that it?
Yeah.
And then you
Make happy little imperfections.
I don't know why I'm so nervous. I shouldn't be. Okay, and then now we're gonna take this again because we wanna make it kind of like this, right?
Yeah.
And then we don't have to,
That gray still looks pretty strong.
does it?
Yeah. I almost feel like you need to water down more.
I think we're okay. You think so?
Yeah, just a little bit more. It just seems strong, but it could be just me. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Okay.
That looks better. Use this. Yeah, there you go.
That?
You wanna, yeah. You want to use this, that part. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
I don't know if I put water.
Oh no, that looks great.
Okay.
I think you did good.
All right.
I think-
And this looks
yeah.
perfect,
And now I
right?
think you should let that dry
Okay.
and then see what you think afterwards.
I like that. And then now let's go ahead and
Yeah, I want to stop this one.